The weather has turned. Here comes the rain. The sun is gone. Need to head for cover. It's another one of my favourite trees just over there. Hidden in this beautiful area of soft rolling hills. Fields of bluebells and gorse bushes. Can't believe it, there's a rainbow as well. The rainbow's still there. I'm just following this path across the open field that leads over the rabbit warrens and the mole hills towards the lake, always making for open water. It's like something out of a medieval poem. Such places require an act of chivalry, whatever that might be. I'm just hiding out under this tree, waiting for the rain to pass. This is a strange loch in this. There's no fish. But over in the distance you can probably see there's a little bit of land jutting out into the water. It's an ancient crannog that was inhabited over 1,000 years ago. People have always loved living on the water. And I was just thinking about Arthurian legends, the Lady of the Lake. The old tales tell of her, the keeper of swords, the giver of destiny. But I think she was something else. I don't think the Lady of the Lake was a legend. I think she was a feeling, something elusive. Sometimes close enough to touch and then just gone, mysterious. Blue as deep water, silent, never quite real. And there she is, our Muse.